Hi everybody, in this video I will give you a brief tutorial on how a student can join a course after he or she has received an invite from the instructor. We go to the inbox of our email to which the invite has been sent. If you do not see the invite in the primary tab, please check out other tabs such as social or promotions or the spam folder. Here we click on the View Course button. If there is any issue with the button, copy and paste the URL given at the bottom of the email to your browser address bar. And then next we click on Enroll button. And since I do not have a student account, I need to click on the Clip Sign Up here. Now I enter the details such as name, mobile number, email address, password, and the OTP. Also, we can see that the student sign up page is a little different from the institute registration page, which is visible at the instructor end. Now we click on the Enroll Now button, and since it's a free course, we are enrolled immediately. In case it's a paid course, we will see a window in which we can complete the payment using net banking, cards, UPI, wallets, etc.